Hello again, everyone. Today we have a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport GT. I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter. This vehicle has the 2.4 liter engine, and here's your air box right here. You don't need any tools for this job. It's pretty easy. Just pop these clips right off, and this breaks apart, and this exposes your air filter. You can see this one is pretty dirty. So go ahead and pull this out of here. Now we'll grab the new filter. You can see the various part numbers here for the different brands. There's Mitsubishi's part number right there. Let's go ahead and open this up. You can clearly see the difference. Alright, here we have the two filters side by side. There's the part number for the old original air filter, made in Japan. And here's the new guy right here. So it has to go in this way. You can see these corners here are all rounded. This one here is more sharper, if you will. So this one goes up like this. So insert it this way. Alright, we finally got it in there, guys. It's a little bit of a struggle, but we did it. So it's all closed up. Just make sure that filter is recessed in this left side, and the air box, both halves are lined up, and then you can get these clips on. But we got it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.